Okay, battery died. So just kind of trying to be careful that I don't take off anything that's not holding the tree up. So like if you cut this one right here that's leaning against the house, this big one, the tree might fall further, and that one onto the deck, and even some of this, like this one on this lowest one down here by the bottom of the ladder, is on the ground, and hard to tell how much weight is on that branch and if that's holding the branch of the tree up at all. So I'm going to cut up some of these that are just dangling in midair, like the top of the ladder. Cut that shit off, and it looks a little better out here. I don't know if you can see that, but our neighbors had to come out, and one of the guys took his shirt off, and that was not a pleasant sight. So I had to go inside and throw up for a minute. But looks a little bit better out here. I mean, just hardly anything yet so far, really. Just basic stuff.